Margaret from San Antonio has a question about radiant replacement.
About 12 years ago, she had some radiant barrier installed. All right, so Margaret writes, after a hailstorm last year, I got a new roof, but I lost some of my decking. I need to have more insulation sprayed in, but what about the roof, she wonders, Tom? I've been told that to tack reflective paper under the roof to ward off the heat, but I don't hear about the radiant barrier paint you used to talk about. Are you again? And she knows you're against this tack-on stuff because it gets dusty and stops performing. So, Tom, Margaret wants to know, what should she do?
Well, first off, the tack-on, if it's put on the roof, underside of the roof deck, and the shiny side is facing down, you don't have the dust issue. Where the dust issue comes from was when people lay it on the floor of the attic, and some companies still recommend you do that. You do not do that. So don't do that one. As far as the paint works fine. In fact, they're constantly improving it to where it's very beneficial. And if you just had a few areas and you wanted the guy to go up there and just brush some paint on it in those few areas, I think that would be the easiest way to go. And instead of buying a whole roll of stuff that you're only going to need some small pieces. So either way, I'm good with it. The paint's fine.
All right. Got a question?
Simple.
We'll help you out just like that. Send us your question at the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it like these videos over here. And subscribe to our channel. We'll let you know when there's a new one.